Keeping your car clean sounds simple, right? But then real life happens. You get crumbs from that quick snack, dirt tracked in from your shoes. And if you have pets, well, you know the struggle with pet hair. It adds up so fast, and suddenly your car looks like it's been through a lot. Now, I've tried a lot of those small car vacuums. Most of them are pretty disappointing. They're either way too weak to pick up anything substantial, they have a short battery life, or they're so awkward to handle that they just end up collecting dust in the trunk. That's exactly why I wanted to get my hands on this WORX car vacuum. I wanted to see if it's one of those rare gadgets that's actually worth keeping in your car for those everyday messes. So, let's take a look. This is the WORX 20-volt corded car vacuum. First impression. It's really compact and surprisingly lightweight, which is a good start. It comes with a few key attachments, a crevice tool for getting into those tight spots between the seats, and a brush attachment for upholstery and floor mats. The setup is as easy as it gets. You just pop it into your 12-volt adapter and turn it on. It's really that simple, and it's pretty powerful too for a little handheld. There's no complicated assembly or prep work. You just grab it, click in an attachment, and you're ready to start cleaning. Alright, time for the real test. I'm starting with the floor mats, which are covered in dirt and some leaves. What surprised me right away is the suction power. It's genuinely strong enough to pull up all that embedded dirt and debris pretty easily. For a small, handheld vacuum, it's impressive. The real magic happens with the attachments. That crevice tool is perfect for the dreaded gap between the seat and the center console, where everything seems to disappear. It also gets into the door pockets and around the seat rails. The brush tool works great on the fabric seats to lift up crumbs and pet hair. It's not a heavy-duty shop vac, so don't expect it to suck up nuts and bolts. But for all the typical day-to-day mess, it absolutely gets the job done and does it well. So, who is this vacuum really for? Let's be honest here. This is perfect for parents who are constantly cleaning up after their kids in the back seat. It's a lifesaver for pet owners dealing with shedding. And really, it's for anyone who just hates having a messy car and wants a quick, convenient way to stay on top of it without dragging out a big household vacuum and extension cords. If you're a professional detailer or you're expecting something that can deep clean years of neglect in one go, this isn't the tool for you. But for regular maintenance and quick cleanups, it's a solid, reliable choice. For me, this has become one of those tools that actually gets used, and that's what matters most. It's convenient enough that I'll actually grab it and clean up a mess right when it happens, instead of letting it build up. The fact that it works makes it a winner in my book. If you're tired of a messy car and want to check this vacuum out for yourself, I've put a link for it down in the description below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.